Hello guys, I'm Wilmar Guday and welcome to my backyard gardening channel. I'm also having two more channels, namely W Goods Motovlog and W Goods Aquatic Fish Keeping, wherein the links you can find below. If you are new to this channel and you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, click the bell button, say something in the comment for me to see you, and share this video to your friends. In this vlog, I'm showing you how to take care DIY, do it yourself, for the mother of millions plant. I am not an expert. This is from my experience in taking care of the mother of millions plant. If you have other way to do it, please leave your comments below. Thanks.